Alright, so here is this Hoover Elite 5.2, which is just another Elite 350, but it's a Kmart Elite. The decimal point Elites were the ones that Kmart sold before going to the runabout. So this one is my fourth 350 style machine. I had three 350s before this. This is my first 350 that's not called 350 as well. And it's my third Kmart Elite that I've owned. I have a runabout in the garage that I'm working on, so you guys will see that before long. But here it is. It's a 5.2. I got it on Mercari for a good price. I had to replace the belt and the bag, of course. It actually had a Bissell bag in there, believe it or not, for the Power Force. The light bulb is fine, though. It likes to, sometimes it takes its time and it won't turn on for another few seconds. And then one other thing to note is one of the fasteners or whatever that goes on each side of the motor, one of them's broken, so I need to put a new one on. So it's a little bit, it has a little bit of play, but it's okay until I get a new one on there. So I'll show you the rating sticker. So it's a 2-row brush roll with red bristles. This is actually the same brush roll that the 600 originally had, but my 600 now has the white bristles. Here's the sticker. It'll focus. So it's a U4483. It's from April 1989, and it's a 5.2 amp machine. So this is also my lowest amp Elite that I've ever had. This Encore, for instance, is 5.5 amps. So this thing is just a tad lower than that. So anyway, without further ado, so that is the Hoover Elite 5.2 Kmart Elite 350. Thanks for watching, and Stay tuned for more videos coming up soon.